the Bagger motorcycle show by old Chainsaw Bob. Now, I like Baggers. I think they are just absolutely gorgeous. There's so much different things going on with the Bagger. You can just look at one section or look at the other. Most of them aren't very rideable. They're mostly motorcycles that's just for show. A few people do ride them, especially these ultra customs with the 26 and 30-inch front wheels on them. But they don't ride them much. They just mostly because you can hardly get around the corners on them. Now, something like this looks like it'd be entirely rideable, and that'd probably be a fine ride there. But ones like this, you start around that corner, you're going to start dragging things, and that's not something you want to do with a motorcycle costs that much. So enjoy the show. Would I ride one of these bikes? No, because my motorcycles are supposed to have mud and bugs on them and scratches here and there. That's just old Chainsaw Bob. Thanks for watching.